S. We go for the letter T, which is a dash. So we come here and we tap and hold for a dash. We go here, we go for the letter A, which is a dot and a dash. We come here, we tap dot and a dash right here. If you are new to the channel, before you continue, subscribe to this channel because every single day I bring you the daily Hamster Kombat Cipher code as well as the daily combo code in order to earn 6 million tokens in total. So make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. But if you're a beginner here, one thing you will notice is that if you enter any combination which is not in the daily Hamster Kombat word, everything will delete. So let's say you enter anything right here, you can see everything just deleted. What you want to do is to enter everything again. If you're a beginner here, don't panic, just enter everything again, starting all over again. So we go for the S, which is a triple dash. So we tap it 1, 2, 3. We go for T, which is a dash right here. We just tap and hold. We go for A, which is dot and a dash right here. We bring out dots and a dash like this. And we go for B, which is dash dot dot dot. So we tap and hold for dash and dot 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 like this. We go for L, which is dot dash dot dot. So dot dash and dot dot like this. And we go for the last one, which is E, which is just a dot. So we tap for a dot. Now we just decipher today's cipher code. And if you could do this,